Hi, Skinny Snick here. Run!
Look how she talks to me.
I said to Mez, hurry up, I'm going live right now. And she's like, just wait, I've got to get lip gloss. And I was like, no, right now. So we have a new recipe for Christmas.
We do.
And this is a very special one because Mez's beautiful daughter, Chloe, actually created this.
I know.
So tell us all about it. While I do it. You tell me what to do and then you tell us about it while I'm doing it.
Okay, so you're adding the burrata to the bowl.
All right, so burrata, drained burrata here. Plop. Then what am I doing?
And then add the parmesan and use 2 forks with pull the burrata
Parmesan.
so that the outer layer forms.
We want to do it so that they can see. Let's do it like that. All right, so we're doing what are we doing? Adding the parmesan. All of it?
Yeah.
All right, then what?
And then you're gonna use 2 forks to pull the burrata so the outer layer
How
forms
sexy is that?
strands. So
Like stringy.
yeah.
Oh, you could use the stracciatella from
Yeah.
the new book.
That's what we've got on the thing. You
Oh,
can
is
use
it?
stracciatella or burrata.
What's this recipe called?
It's called Chloe's Roasted Tomato Burrata Dip. So Chloe
It's freaking delicious, you guys.
is obsessed with cheese, like obsessed. So she wanted to make this dip. We had a thing to go to. Her and I had an event we had to go to where we had to take a plate, and she goes, "I want to make this dip." And
Did she see it on TikTok?
She saw a TikTok thing, but it had no.
And they think that banning our children from social media is a good idea.
I know, but it had no measurements, like at all. It just said it's got this, and had 0 measurements. So I said, well, we can wing that. So we did. And then we took it, and at the event, it was the first thing to go. So we decided we'd write it up. And bearing in mind, everyone that went to this event were all cooks. Like people who cook regularly. So, yeah.
That was so freaking good.
I know. So,
What do I do next?
we are then...
Can I just eat that like that?
No. So we have roasted some tomato with herbs, garlic,
How beautiful
and a
is
little
that?
bit of sugar to stop the
Bitter
acidity.
acidity. So what am I doing?
So you're going to add in the roasted tomato mix and lightly mash the whole tomatoes with the fork.
No! I got to go to the gym and I just dropped tomato all over myself. Can you grab me a tea towel for me?
Oh,
Like a little wet towel.
Lord.
All right, so I'm just lightly mashing this.
Yeah.
Freaking hell. Oh no, I'm
get
going
it
to
on
have
your
to
shoe?
change my pants. Can I have that?
You'll be right.
I won't, Mez. Do you know how much I hate having to take my sneakers off
No one will know.
and then changing
They'll
my
never
pants?
know.
I will know. It stained my pants. Bloody hell. That's all right.
Okay.
Sorry, you guys.
So,
All right, so I'm lightly
mashing
mashing this.
in with the fork to release the juices. And then, after you've done that,
You got to mash it to
mash it.
Okay.
Because some of the tomatoes you left whole and others you just
Is that
halved.
enough mashing?
Yeah, that's fine.
Have I released enough of the juices?
Yes. Well, yeah. And then you're going to add in...
Is that really what it says?
Yeah. And then you're going to add in the lemon zest and torn basil leaves.
Lemon zest. How much basil?
It just says a large handful of fresh basil, like roughly chopped, torn, whatever.
All right, we want to save some of this actually for the video. Put that over there.
Okay. That nice pretty one.
Yeah, I don't know, Krisha, what's happening with Facebook Lives because they're not sending out notifications anymore and they're not really like going very far, but that's okay because we download them and we put them on Instagram. So if you are missing the Skinny Mixers videos and you want to see what we're up to, just make sure you follow us over on Instagram at Skinny Mixer. Because I download, well, not me, Cyan downloads all the videos and she uploads them to Instagram once we're done. It's very frustrating when they decide to change things, especially when they work so well. Like Facebook Lives is such a good way to connect with people and to just do
Oh my God, that's
live cooking, like real live stuff, not pre-recorded, where you've got time to think about what you want to say and you don't do things like drop tomatoes all over your pants.
That's the fun stuff though.
That's what I'm saying.
Because you're keeping it real.
Keeping it real. Is that it?
Yep.
And now I mix that through, do I?
Mix that through. So the tomatoes are still warm after they've been roasted. So Chloe likes to eat it like warm, but you could put the rest in the fridge and come back to it later, or prep ahead if you preferred to have it cold. It could be served either way.
I think it would be bloody good on a roasted chicken breast.
Yeah. Or as Chloe said, oh no, can I have the rest for breakfast with a poached egg on top?
Fancy.
I know.
All right, now what?
And then that's it.
So what's this, Mez? Tell us about this.
So this is in the recipe as well. This is like making little garlic baguette crisps.
And then you just grab a crisp.
Yep.
And you grab your dip.
Yeah.
And you
Eat it.
spread it on like that, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll show them what it looks like.
Like it doesn't look pretty, but
Looks freaking delicious. What are you talking about?
it's so good.
Oh!
Hi, Rudy.
I nearly did that thing where I cut both my mouth open.
Oh my God. Remember that time you did that with a
With
custard tart?
Portuguese tart.
She shoved the whole tart in her mouth and split her lip open. I'll never forget that day.
And then the other thing we have to show off while we're eating, pigging out on this delicious new recipe,
Yum.
is the fruit salad dip.
That's not a fruit salad dip.
How cute are these? I spent so long doing it.
You're so funny.
What? I went to the shop and I found these cute little pics. And then I spent ages threading all these individual fruits on.
Tell them the truth. You hate them.
Mez did it and I hate it. I'm like, why? What is the point? But that's okay. That's why I'm not a Pinterest mum.
I'm like,
How cute are they?
they're so cute. They got little Christmas
Where's the fruit
trees.
dip?
Oh yeah, I got it in the fridge. Because it's 37 degrees here.
I know. I have to go to the gym now and I really don't want to.
So who's not had the fruit dip? And have you been living under a rock?
I don't want to mess this up. They're so pretty.
So
Let's not mess them up.
do you
Because
want
I want to.
Do you want a banana then?
No, I'll just use this. So if you haven't had the fruit dip, what book is this in?
Entertaining.
Bloody hell, it's good.
I know, isn't it?
This is a great recipe for those of you who maybe want to do a fruit platter for entertaining this year for Christmas or New Year's or any of the parties in between.
Or someone says, bring a plate. Just bring a fruit
Or
platter.
someone says, bring a plate, or, you know, even a back to school snack for the kids or a school holiday snack. This fruit dip is so delicious. It tastes like a vanilla cream, but it's got yogurt in it, so it's high in protein, very low in sugar.
And cream cheese.
It's very vanilla-y. It's really, 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 really yummy and fantastic way to jazz up a fruit platter.
And get the kids eating fruit.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going to stop. This is so good.
So,
Honestly,
I mean, how good is dip though for a
why
snack?
haven't we made this in so long?
I know. I was thinking that like yesterday.
The fruit dip is phenomenal.
I know.
I think it's one of the best recipes I've ever written. Why are you looking at me like that? I wrote that.
I know you did. I just remember when I said you should do a fruit dip, and you're like, yeah.
Yuck. I don't need fruit dip. Incredible. So, the Chloe's, what's it called?
Hang on.
I swear we're professional.
Chloe's.
Chloe's Roasted Tomato Burrata Dip is available for free on the website. And The fruit dip is available in Skinny Entertaining. We have 40% off the entire, well, up to 40% off the entire store right now. It's only on until Sunday. So if you're thinking about grabbing a Skinny Mixers cookbook, maybe that you don't have in your collection.
Entertaining.
Or even as a Christmas present, because if you buy them now, we can get them shipped so that they're arriving in time for Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Winner.
We've got you.
Yeah.
Shop.skinnymixers.com. You don't have to enter any codes or anything. It's all automated.
Straight into the cart.
Do I have to change my pants or are they
You're fine.
clean enough?
They're
I think they're
fine.
dirty. All right, on that note, we're going to eat our dip quickly and we're going to love you and leave you. Enjoy the free recipe, you guys, and
Stay safe.
stay safe. And I'll see you
Stay
tomorrow
hydrated.
for another recipe. I think
what
tomorrow I'm
is it?
doing eggnog.
Yeah.
Cheeky little eggnog. All right, love you guys. Bye.